Machiegni kendo nya Ramogi Jataa tije kaka kambi mar Silica Booster Limited jo Kariuki ma itudo kod keyo fertilizer mabandia koro lero ni omako bura e doho gi riwruok mochung'ne nono mwandu e pachoka kata KEBS. Kariuki owacho ni okawo okang' makamae ne Kenya Bureau of Standards kalore kod kaka jataa tije ma kambi no Esther Ngare ne otudo gi kod wach mar fertilizer mabandia siche mane ochopo e nyim kamiti mar pur e bunge. Kariuki ne olero ni fertilizer magi gin makare kendo ne opuodhi kowacho ni weche magoye gin mana mag jo wasigu mag ohala ema osebedo ka kedo kode.
Analysis, there was a question on what we found. We have the test reports on the product that was labeled as organic fertilizer under SBL, and the product failed in terms of organic matter that is required in the fertilizer, and other failures were on pH.
For the last 2 years, since the inception of fertilizer subsidy, there have been serious allegation of substandard fertilizer. I'll talk about yesterday in Parliament. The director of Kenya Bureau of Standards, Esther Ngare, told MPs that the subsidized fertilizer being distributed by the government does not meet the standard and is not suitable for the market. They are now trying to stop genuine competition, and what is clearly the hope for Kenyan farmers. Even worse, someone is trying to buy the fertilizer scandal by manufacturing a fake scandal. The story of GPC fertilizer, I can tell you now, is that the whole scandal is just fake. First thing, we're already in court, so it's okay.